Removing a system board assembly. Remove the following components in the order they are listed below. If applicable, the security bezel, the top covers, the air baffle, the fan cage assembly, both PCIe riser assemblies, the M.2 boot adapter, the OCP adapter, the power supply units, the power backplane, the intrusion switch cable, the memory modules, the processor and heatsink, the firmware and TPM 2.0 security module. Disconnect all the cables from the system board. Pull the plunger up and then hold it and the handle to slide the system board slightly forward to disengage it from the chassis. Lift the right end of the system board to remove the system board from the chassis.